Tell me what's going on, my friend.
Well, I drove the car this past Saturday, around town here. I'm in Windsor, Missouri. There ain't nothing going on in this town after 6 o'clock at night. The streets are rolled up and everything else. And you only got one mechanic, and he does tires. But anyhow, what happened is when I get out of my Elantra, and it's happened before, but my foot has hit the trunk release button. And of course, when it does, the trunk will pop up just a little bit, enough for the damn light to come on. But I hadn't driven the car since Tuesday afternoon this week. And when I went to start it, of course, the battery was dead. I put a multimeter on the battery, and it was stone dead. There wasn't an ounce of power in it at all.
Mm-hmm.
I recharged the battery. It's back up to specs. But when I tried to use a jumper booster battery on it on Tuesday, that as soon as I connected the positive lead, the lights start flashing, the wipers start swinging, the horn starts going off, and that was at 5 o'clock in the morning. I can't have that going on. I live inside the town, and my neighbors are really close. Anyhow, I've got everything put back together, the battery's charged and everything else, but if I connect the positive lead back up, then the damn thing starts again. I know there's got to be a code to put in or do something to stop this thing from sounding like the alarm is going on.
Mm-hmm. So this is a factory alarm?
Yeah, it's the one off the car when I first bought it, but I've never used it or anything because
Right.
I lived in the country and no one came in my yard. They wouldn't dare to.
Right.
But now I'm living in town and 1,400 miles from where I was living before, and with the battery going dead, like I say, and then recharging and putting it in, then everything was going off. The horn was sounding, the wipers were running, the lights were flashing, and that tells me that that's the internal auto's alarm system itself.
Right.
But now that the battery's back up to speed, how do I disengage that alarm system so I can start the car?
Oh, I see. You want to disarm the alarm. So I think you can take the key and put it in the door lock cylinder and then manually unlock the door lock cylinder.
That's not a problem. I can get in and out of the car, no problem.
But I gave you that information as the answer to turn off the alarm, not to get in the vehicle. So that would be one way. The key fob should be another way if that doesn't work. Sometimes if you put the key in the ignition and just turn the ignition on, that'll turn off the alarm as well.
Well, I tried, that didn't work.
So I would try the other way in the
With
door
the key
lock
in the
cylinder.
door lock.
Yep.
And if it doesn't work, then I call you back.
I would also look for valet switch under the dash, just to ensure. Sometimes they come with valet switches under the dash. Just make sure that if you have one, you might be able to go ahead and toggle it on or off and then to disable the alarm. But if not, then...
Okay, I'll take a look, but I don't ever recall seeing anything like that underneath that.
All right.
You need my email address?
No, I'm going to go ahead and post some information back on the chat, anything that we talked about, and then all you have to do is just, once we're off the phone, give me a few minutes, I'll get this information together, and I'll send it over.
I'm going to slide back out and see if I can get it to work what you were talking about.
That sounds good.
All right, I'll be back in a little bit.
Sounds good.